The way that an interior is lit sets the tone for how you experience it emotionally.
Together with award-winning designer Sabine Marcelis, IKEA has created the VARMBLIXT collection that will create a positive experience in the home, amplified by light.
Collaborating with IKEA has been amazing. I think our skill sets really complemented each other, and it was a very effortless process in bringing these pieces to life. I think it's important to surround yourself with pieces that bring a sense of positivity and lightness to life. So I hope that the VARMBLIXT collection does just that when you surround yourself with them. There is this celebration of not only artificial light, but also natural light, and how all these different light sources can activate and bring a dynamic quality to static designs. The donut shape for me is just this perfect finite shape. And then when you make that translucent, there is a lot of layers to work with.
The beauty of VARMBLIXT moves IKEA democratic design one step forward.
I think I can only do good design when I'm very excited about it. It's very much about working from a fascination and a passion. So if I'm not excited about it, I don't think the result will be great.